everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video we are going to learn how you can redeem your codes on your Halo Infinite game by going to the website. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to smash that like button as well as subscribe, because we promise to bring you more awesome videos like this one. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's tutorial. So the process to redeem your Halo Infinite codes is actually really simple. What we want to do is simply open up our browser. Once you open the browser, on the search box, you want to head over to halowaypoint.com. I will also leave this link in the description. You can see halowaypoint.com right over here. Once you do that, go ahead and go to halowaypoint.com. And on the right hand side, you want to make sure that you are logged into your account. If you are logged in, then you will be able to see your profile icon. If not, then you will have to go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft or any type of account. You can see this is how the home interface of the application looks like. Now, in order to redeem our Halo Infinite codes, what we want to do is on the top right hand side, simply tap on our profile icon right over here, and then go ahead and sign into our account first. Once we sign into our account, what we want to do is go ahead and simply tap on the profile icon, and here at the bottom option you will be able to find an option called redeem code. You want to simply go ahead and tap on redeem code, and here it will ask you redeem your code. Once you redeem your code, your item will be added to your game inventory. So what we want to do is simply enter our redeem code right over here. Make sure you type in everything correctly, because even if there is a singular mistake, you will not be able to redeem your code properly. So make sure you have typed in everything correctly. Once you type in the code correctly, at the bottom you will find an option called redeem. You want to simply go ahead and tap on redeem, and once you do that, you'll have successfully redeemed your code on the Halo Infinite game. So in this way, you can really easily redeem your Halo Infinite code. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts regarding this, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.